Hey, my name is Cody. I am a digital presenter for the PartsIPS. Today, I am going to talk about Whirlpool Icemaker Part W11546935. The Whirlpool Icemaker Part W11546935 is a replacement ice maker kit for Whirlpool and KitchenAid refrigerators. This ice maker kit includes the ice maker, ice bin, and installation hardware. The ice maker is designed to produce up to 8 cubes of ice per cycle and can store up to 25 cubes of ice in the included bin. The ice maker also features an adjustable bail arm that allows you to adjust the thickness of the ice cubes. This ice maker is designed for use with Whirlpool and KitchenAid refrigerators with a top-mount freezer compartment. Installation instruct. This part fixes the following symptoms. This part is used to replace the ice maker assembly in Whirlpool refrigerators. It can fix issues such as the ice maker not producing ice, not dispensing ice, or producing too much or too little ice. Here is how you install this part. 1. Start by unboxing the Whirlpool ice maker and making sure all the parts are included. 2. Locate the water supply line and shut off the water supply to the refrigerator. 3. Disconnect the existing ice maker from the water supply line and remove it from the refrigerator. 4. Install the new ice maker in its place, making sure to secure it with screws or bolts if necessary. 5. Connect the new ice maker to the water supply line using a compression fitting or other approved connection method. 6. Turn on the water supply and check for any leaks at all. You can buy this part from www.partsips.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsips.com.
Visit www.partsips.com to order residential appliance parts.